Hello friends, in this video we will see how to use tape reading tool and screeners based on this tool. This is chart of Nifty and here we can see a black candle has appeared. This black candle indicates top loss of bulls has been hit. On this day if somebody had exited positions in Nifty, then that person will be happy. This candle turned black. For next 2 days there was some retracement, but after that there is continuous fall. Here we had new shorting opportunity, continuation was created, price went into selling area, again there is a fall. So there was sell on rise active here. This is simple indicator and we have discussed lot of things on this. Now based on this indicator, we want to take retracement entry. If we had taken a retracement entry here, how much is risk reward achieved? Let me show you. As per retracement entry point is here. Stop loss will be below this buying area. If candle closes below this, that will be one stop loss, or if candle crosses below this, it will be another stop loss. So based on this, it changed to green color here, and then there was a retracement entry here. From there, prices have gone up, and black color came here. That is the stop loss of bulls. At this point of time, risk reward achieved is 3.92. For every 1 rupee risk, 3 rupees 92 paise is profit. This was a possible setup. Was it possible to book profits here or here? Yes, it is possible. I have created this indicator to show climatic move. So it is possible to book profit here, and book profit here also on formation of red candle. So these 3 points were possible where profit booking was possible in strength, and this is after hitting the stop loss. Now I have another indicator. This indicator is updated trend display. In this, what do we see? Trend of multiple time frames is visible at a time. So we can see trend of daily chart, 75-minute chart or 15-minute chart. We can change these settings from here. Change first time, second and third time frame. So we can go to monthly, weekly. It takes some time and we'll be able to see weekly is new uptrend. So weekly is still up, daily 75, 15 minutes are down. With this screener, we can easily see trend on different time frames which are different as compared to the current chart. We can easily see current trend on chart, but if we want to see higher and lower time frame trends, we can use this screener. Now there are so many stocks. If we try to go and watch each chart, it will be lot of time consuming process. For this, I have created a screener to know what is the trend of the stocks right now. This screener is updated super advanced TRT screener for FNOs. So this is first screener. In this I have added 35 stocks. I'll show you. Here we can see there are 35 stocks. We can add 35 stocks at a time, and 35 stocks are screened at a time here. What can we see? Bell is fresh up. I'll show you one more important setting here. Candle look back for fresh trend. So I'm checking those stocks which have turned to uptrend in last 11 days. If I change it to 20, names will change here. Up to last 20 days, those stocks which have changed to uptrend are Bank Baroda and Bell, whereas those stocks which have turned to fresh downtrend has increased. So number of stocks which have turned bearish in last 20 days is this much. Out of 35, 13 are in fresh downtrend and just 2 are in fresh uptrend. So this way we can change number of days and stock number will increase. I have kept it at 11 and I can get this number of days. Why do I do this? Because when there is a fresh uptrend, I can wait for that stock to give me retracement entry. So I will keep that in my watch list, and once that stock gives me retracement entry or creates new continuation, I can look for another level. And I can also use price alerts. So for example, if I come to know about this bullish change in Nifty, then I can use this level to keep my alert and enter at that level in future whenever price touches that level. We'll see the bell chart. Here the chart of bell is showing fresh uptrend. Now we can see bell is showing fresh uptrend, and this is a level where fresh uptrend has started. 276. What is low of this candle? It is touching. So yesterday it has given retracement entry. So bell has given a retracement entry and it can go up. Now market environment is more important than just a setup. So if overall market conditions are bearish, I prefer to go for bearish trades instead of bullish trades. But we can easily get the number of stocks which are bullish and which are bearish using this. After this, I want to screen more than 200 stocks. So if I want to screen more than 200 stocks, what I can do? I can just add it more times. Like here I have added it twice. I can also add it for multiple number. Just copy it and paste. Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. In this manner, I have already added 6 screeners on my chart. Now, what I can do? I can change the location. I have to change location of these boxes. So I will change it to top left, middle right, middle left, bottom right, bottom left. In this manner, I can shift the stocks, I can shift the boxes to different areas, and I will be able to see the stock names easily. This screener has names of same stocks. Therefore, everything is same here. And because of these candles, I am not able to see the chart, as well as I am not able to see any screeners. Some of the screeners are hidden. What I will do is I will just zoom this out, scroll the cursor here. After that, drag the chart down and make it out of my view. As I have taken it out of my view, I am able to see the screener very clearly. Here I am able to see the screener very clearly. I can add one more row in center if I have a wider screen. So total screeners at a time can be 9 also. So it will screen at a time more than 300 stocks. Now important task is to change the names of these screeners. Double click on this, go to this section and change names. Now suppose I want to add Nifty. You will have to keep the list ready. Add them one by one. Don't add haphazardly. But I'm just showing you how to change it. So in this manner, change all 35 names. Then go to this section and save as default. Or else what you can do, after changing names in all 6, click here. This is a button where you can add indicators, metrics and strategies. Besides that, there is indicator template. So add here, save indicator template, write a name and remember symbol, remember interval if you want to do that. Then just save this. So once you save this, this will get saved and it will be possible to check here. It has come as first name. So demo is first name here, and we can, I will show you, I will remove all the indicators first. Then click here again, click on demo and it has loaded all the screens. All the screeners are loaded again. Again I will follow same process. Zoom this and take it out. Now I am able to see all those again and I don't have to add them again and again. Here I can remove these buttons. Show buy sell button is removed and I can see all the names. So this way you can save the template and bring it on, or you can save the template and use it again. Now we have this star here. If I click on this star, it will add the template to my favorites. By adding here, you'll be able to see it's added here. And see, this is the indicator template which I have added. Suppose I change it and then again go to this. So it will again show my screeners. If I remove this, remove 8 indicators, click here again on demo, all the indicators have appeared again. Repeat the process, zoom out, take it out, and we can see all the names very clearly. So this way you can add multiple screeners at a time and check multiple charts at a time, understand the trends on those stocks. Here I will show you usefulness of this indicator. RBL Bank, first time red, hit the stop loss of bears. Again second time red. Then what happened? Price came down, created continuation, gave retracement, nice target. Again new retracement entry, came down nicely. Again new retracement entry and came down nicely. Another new retracement entry, came down nicely. Gujarat Gas, similar. First red hit the stop loss, second red retracement entry, and it is going down continuously. Here there was continuation, then it gave nice retracement entry, again it is coming down. So even if you are not able to take short entry here, second short entry was possible here. I want to show you one more thing which is important. Here I have added 9 indicators. Repeat the process, zoom out and take this out. Now I am able to see all the screeners. When I open indicators, it is showing some error here. What is the error? It is showing invalid symbol. Means this screener is not opening because there is some invalid symbol in the list. I will have to go to list and change that symbol. Check here. Mikaji is already in the list. Biocon is already in the list. So click here on the names one by one, and once you reach the stock which is not in the list, you will be able to understand that Century Text is invalid symbol. So instead of that, add something else and click OK. Now this screener has come and the names are visible. All 9 screeners are loaded here. If I am not able to see these names, just bring cursor here and it will be visible. So this way we can check 9 screeners also at a time, and many stocks are turning green now. You can see there are so many stocks which are turning green, and red stocks are also adequate. So it is 50-50 now. Many stocks are green, many stocks are red. You can go to some green stocks, check how they are performing. If it is appropriate for long entry, place alerts or buy and wait for the price action to unfold. This is how you can add multiple screeners on a chart and check what is happening to the market as per this indicator. That's all about these indicators. If you want to use these indicators, they are available on subscription basis. You can contact me on my mobile number and I will let you know the details. Thank you.